The silence waits in the backwards rotating guillotine. The carpet waiting to be rolled out, to slice through space and time. A string stretched between two mountains. A lonely waiter serves us cheese. We forget to eat his humble pie. The broken-hearted planet turns her back, because we didn't witness the death of a lily. The fleas at the observatory wash their hair, and every night not looking you lengthen 5 inches. The days shorten, the sky blinks. The broken clockwise spindle that had once caused far-off planets to spin has spun its last for the phantoms and its next of kin. It has faltered in its orbit, throwing things afar, all except the unicorns and those on a wonky star. And for all the places far beyond single vision or Newton's sleep, time is no longer something you have to keep. I'm cursed by clockwork. I'm stricken by time. I have to do the things my hands tell me to. That's unless we whistle. Then there's a 3 o'clock cascade, a tunnel of numbers, 5, 6s, 7s, and a very large and angry 30 minutes past 3, 8 pairs of eyes, 9 double crescent hooves, a hat made of porridge, stepping inside my belly, and I'll cool your hooves, pushing in the snow, and you find me waiting for you on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time is knocking at the door. Don't rest your lives on time. Go backwards to be fine. To avoid being imprisoned by the clock. Tonight, we will not talk.